What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Traxxas Sledge. Well, today I finally fixed it. I fixed it now, and I got these orange pieces on it. It just make it pop that much more. Cause I got this idea from this guy named Chris, cause he had the orange bits on there, and I was wondering why his was popping so much. And then I said, okay, that's why it's popping so much, cause you got the orange bits on there. But then I also, I blew the tire, so I added the Talon tires off my E-Revo, and I just put a little bit of orange on there in the spokes just to bring out the orange a little more. I think it looks awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little walk around, let y'all check it out. Just gonna run it real quick because I haven't ran it in a minute and see how these tires hold up. The thing what I did with these tires, I want to do that to my E-Revo too. I think that'll look sick because I got that blue and green and white body. I'm gonna put it in blue though. I'm not gonna put it in green. About to dirty up them tires. Cause this is a sort of, I'm testing these diffs out that I changed. I changed the front and back diffs. Yeah, the steering needs. Well, we knew the servo. Didn't change the servo out yet, but it needs it. Definitely needs that servo change. Oh. I want to hit this hard, but man, I had disaster for a few cars trying to hit this. Whoa. Let's try the famous tree jump. Yeah, this need to stop doing that. Knock the battery out. Not in there secure as it is. Well, so far, I figured my diff repairs was good. Got the front and the rear just to make sure, because now it seems to be pretty good. Suppose it got upgraded discs, but I didn't. I really should have. These tires seem to be pretty good. Stop it. I definitely got the diff problem under control. Just got to upgrade the gears though. Definitely gotta get me a bumper for this car. This thing is a monster right here. I don't know what that noise is, but that's the same noise it made when the disc was going bad. Damn branch. Let me see what that noise is. See if something got in this diff real quick. Be right back. I'm still getting that whine. I don't know what that is. Oh, that grass is very high. I want to see what that noise is. Sound like it's coming from the rear. I'll see if I can get a shot with it. Nope. I know this bad boy got to be hot by now. I'm gonna check the temps. I actually brought my temp gun I brought my temp gun today. So what I'm gonna do, check these temps, see how hot this is. Not gonna bash it after this anyway, but I just want to check them temperatures. See how hot this thing is. Let's see. .136 on the motor. 114 on the ESC. $97 on the battery. Not bad, not bad at all. Yeah, my homie Ish gave me this. You know, this thing comes in handy. I keep forgetting to bring it with me, but finally brought it with me. Check my temps. I needed this a while ago. Also gave me a thumb steerer. I gotta give him a shout out. Give my man Ish shout out. It's making a whining noise. I'm not too sure what that is. Not too sure what that is. It's not holding back the power, but it's just a whine noise. I don't know what that is, but guess it's fine. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. I got more coming soon. Got this car coming soon. I'm gonna upgrade this car. So stay tuned. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. Leave a comment.